Welcome to qnawire.
Chapter 16, Problem 104, calculating the pH of a solution made by adding 2.5 grams of lithium oxide to enough water to make 1.5 grams. 1.5 liters of the solution. So the first thing we had to do is actually find the molarity of the solution to be able to find the pH concentration. So the first thing we had to do is find the molarity of the lithium oxide. So if we are given 2.5 grams of Li2O, to find grams, you have to divide by its molecular weight. And to find the molecular weight, you just do 2 times Li plus 1 oxygen, because that is its molecule makeup. And so the molecular weight of Li2O is 29.88 grams per 1 mole. So then our grams cancel out with each other. And then that number, when plugged into a calculator, gives us 2.5 divided 0.08367 moles of Li2O. So now the next part is to actually find the molarity. And molarity is equal to moles over liters. And here we have our moles that we just calculated. And we're going to divide that by our total volume that they asked us to use. And so when we do that, we get 0.056 molar of Li2O. So now whenever we add Li2O to water, what is the reaction that's actually occurring here? So we have Li2O plus H2O, solid and the liquid, goes to 2 LiOH. And so then we have to finish balancing off our equation. 2, and all right, so we're good. And so whenever we have this balanced equation, now we're going to then figure out how much of the solution we actually have. In this, we can just use stoichiometry. So if we have an original concentration of 0.056 molar of lithium O2, then we just do a stoichiometry here. So it was a 1 lithium 2O to 2 LiOH, and I'm finding this by just looking at the coefficients in front of our solutions, just how like you would usually do for whenever you're converting moles back and forth between each other. And so therefore we would know how much OH concentrations we have in our system. And so whenever we do that, we get a concentration of 1.2 molar of LiOH. So now since we have the concentration of OH, we can find our POH, which is equal to the negative log of our OH concentration. And when we plug that into our calculator, we get 0.951 for the POH. And to get the pH, you do 14 is equal to pH plus your POH. And then when you do algebra, your pH is just equal to 14 minus your POH, which in our case was 9.05. So our final number is 13.049.